How to set up profiles for kids on Paramount Plus with filters, July 2026, update. In this guide, we'll cover kids mode, maturity filters, and the essential pin security to prevent profile hopping. Stop worrying about what your kids might stumble upon on Paramount Plus. Here is how to lock down your account in under 2 minutes. First, sign in on a web browser. While you can switch profiles on TV, deep security settings are best managed on the web interface. Navigate to your account settings. This is where you'll find the comprehensive parental control suite updated for 2026. Select Add Profile and switch that Kids Mode toggle to On. This is your first line of defense for a safe viewing environment. Enabling Kids Mode simplifies the UI and restricts content to age-appropriate ratings immediately. Choose your maturity level. Younger kids get strictly TVY and G ratings, perfect for toddlers and preschoolers. Older kids can access TV, PG, and PG ratings, which includes live-action Nickelodeon hits and family-friendly movies. Now for the most important part, the parental pin. Scroll to Parental Controls and toggle it on to create your 4-digit code. Enable Profile Lock to force a pin request whenever someone tries to switch from a kid's profile to an adult one. No more hopping. The 2026 update also brings autoplay restrictions and AI-curated safe playlists to keep content focused and screen time managed. Pro tip, don't forget to log Live TV. This ensures kids don't stumble upon live broadcasts that might carry more mature themes. To recap, enable Kids Mode, set your maturity filters, and always activate the parental pin for full security. That's it. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more direct tech tutorials and updates. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one.